Personal hygiene in the office. Staying healthy at work starts with good personal hygiene. Small habits prevent the spread of germs and keep everyone in the office safe and productive. 1. Wash your hands often. Use soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating, after using the restroom, or touching shared surfaces. 2. Use hand sanitizer. When soap and water are not available, use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Cover all hand surfaces. Always cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Use a tissue or your elbow, not your hands, to stop germs from spreading. Clean shared equipment regularly. Wipe down your desk, keyboard, phone, and other shared equipment to reduce the spread of germs. Maintain breakroom hygiene. Wipe counters, handles, coffee machines, and fridge doors before and after use. Don't leave used dishes. Sharing personal items. Do not share mugs, utensils, headphones, or towels. Sharing spreads germs between coworkers and increases risk of illness. 3. Maintain personal grooming. Keep clothes clean, hair neat, and practice good oral hygiene to support health and professionalism. 4. Use and discard tissues properly. Use tissues for runny noses or sneezes, then throw them away immediately. Avoid leaving used tissues in common areas. Try not to touch your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Germs can enter your body easily this way. 5. Sanitize shared devices. Regularly clean printers, copiers, and remotes that many people touch to reduce germs. Wearing a mask protects your coworkers and reduces the spread of germs during cold and flu season or when you feel unwell. If you are feeling unwell, stay home. Coming to work sick spreads illness and affects everyone's productivity. Support hygiene in the office. Lead by example, provide hand sanitizer and tissues, and encourage coworkers to follow good habits. Stay hydrated, eat nutritious meals, and get enough sleep. Strong immune systems help reduce illness in the workplace. Personal hygiene is simple but powerful. By practicing these habits, you protect yourself, your coworkers, and create a safer, healthier office for everyone. Stay healthy, practice good hygiene.